In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share reports in Smartsheet. Report Access 2026. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. This process works the same whether you're on Windows or Mac, and any modern browser will do. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight into your workspace environment. If you're prompted to log in, do that now. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's your company's single sign-on or your Smartsheet credentials. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step, and you're in. That's all you need here. After you log in, you'll land on your homepage. This is the hub where you can quickly get back to your recent items and favorites. On the left side, you'll see navigation for your content, including workspaces, folders, sheets, and reports. From the homepage, click All Workspaces. This shows every workspace you have access to. Think of a workspace as a container for related items, sheets, reports, and dashboards used by a team or project. Next, select the workspace that holds the report you want to share. Inside, you'll see the content list. Locate the specific report and open it. If you manage a lot of assets, a quick tip is to use the search bar at the top to jump straight to the report by name. Opening the report ensures you're sharing the right item and can confirm the content looks correct. To share this report, click the Share button in the top right corner. This opens the sharing panel where you control access. It's the same spot you'd use for any Smartsheet item, so the process will feel familiar. You can share just the report or the entire workspace. In this walkthrough, we'll share the report only. In the invite field, enter the email addresses of the people who need access. Add a brief message so they know what the report is and why they're receiving it. Then set the appropriate permission level. Viewer, if they only need to read the report, or editor or admin if they're responsible for updating or managing it. If you prefer to send the access another way, you can copy the item link from this panel and share it through your usual communication channel. Keep in mind, a report summarizes data from underlying sheets. If someone doesn't have permission to those source sheets, they may see limited data or nothing at all, even if they can open the report. When in doubt, verify the right people have access to both the report and its source sheets. When everything looks good, send the invite or share the link. That's it. Your Smartsheet report is now shared with the right people, using the right access.